Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of cleaning the internal components of your PlayStation 5. This process is essential to ensure that your console runs optimally and remains free from dust and debris that could cause overheating. Let's get started. First, you will need some tools to perform this task. Gather a Phillips head screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air. Make sure you work in a well-lit area. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your console cleaned professionally. Begin by turning off your PlayStation 5 and unplugging all cables. This is crucial for your safety. Once it's powered down, place the console on a flat surface, preferably a table. Next, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws located on the bottom of the console. There are 4 screws, so keep them safe in a small container as you remove them. After removing the screws, gently lift the cover off the console. Be cautious as there may be some resistance. Once the cover is off, you will see the internal components of your PS5. Take a moment to observe how everything is laid out. Now, let's start cleaning. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust or debris from the internal components. Pay special attention to the cooling fan and the heatsink, as these areas tend to accumulate dust. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any liquid propellant from escaping. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you with this cleaning. Next, take your microfiber cloth and gently wipe down any surfaces that may have dust. Avoid using any cleaning products as they can damage the components. Be thorough but gentle to prevent any accidental damage. Once you have cleaned the interior, it's time to reassemble the console. Carefully place the cover back on, making sure it fits snugly. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. After everything is back in place, plug your console back in and power it on. It should start up smoothly, and you may notice that it runs quieter and cooler than before. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and no surprise costs. Cleaning your PlayStation 5 internally is a simple yet effective way to maintain its performance. Regular cleaning can prevent overheating and prolong the lifespan of your console. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our services that include no calls, no travel, making it easier than ever to maintain your gaming system. Enjoy your gaming experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.